Hi guys, my name is Shabaz. Welcome back to our YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, I'll be back maximum 1.5 month later, and guys, we have lots of work, so that's why we are a little busy to making new assets like online work. So that's why I will not make videos. I actually make lots of videos, but I don't have a time to editing or voice cover, so that's why it's a little bit late. I'm sorry for that. So now we are start to making latest bridal blouse designs. Okay, print already done on the fabric, and I know guys, some of the part of these designs are missing, but I'll explain everything about these blouse designs. Okay, this is a parrot blouse design and latest, and it's also in bridal collection. So now we are start to stitching on the sleeves, and you can see already we are printed. And if you learn about printing or making blouse designs, so please watch my all videos. Okay, and go search how to make bridal blouse designs and design papers, so you can find my videos. Okay, and you also seen in this blouse designs sleeves have a two peacock one side, two peacock opposite side. Okay, not a peacock, it's a parrot. Okay, I'm sorry for that. And we also use a combination is a rama green color. Actual blouse color is a pink, light pink, with the combination rama green. It's also looking very beautiful. Now we are start to stitching 3 number moti with 1 sugar beads and 1 moti. Okay, and now we are using do tar needles and rama green silk thread. Silk thread is a very different type of thread. It's also used for combination, and market has a maximum 3 to 5 quality of silk thread. So if you buy, you also see the quality of thread also look like soft and not too much hard. Okay, it's good for you. And if you are beginner, you are doing a resham work with the soft. Okay, and also if printing are not looking good and not proper, so you can fix with the white pencil or other color pencil. Okay, not a different type color, like white is a perfect, I think, and also pencil ash color is a good. And back neck, not a normal type neck, it's a little bit different, like V shape, and we also add a net middle of the back neck. Okay, and now you can see sleeves approx 40% work are done. Now we are filling parrot head with the green color resham. Okay, and resham work almost thread work done with the dotar needle. And if you want to stitching moti, you need to use 7 to 8 number wooden needle. Okay, and also wooden needle work for it like zardozi. And if you want to stitching sugar beads, you need to use like 7 number iron needle, iron like same as it is we are already using right now. You can see it, and also you can fix some thread top of the needle. And I know guys, I'm not explaining good, but I still try for you guys. And I'll do lots of mistake to speaking English, but I still try for you guys. Okay, and I hope you will understand my problems. Now we are start to stitching straight line with the 1 3 number moti and also 1 sugar beads. And you can see downside sleeves has a not just a straight border, it's a curve type. Okay, and now we are start to stitching some jerkin stand middle of these straight line. And believe me guys, this blouse designs looking very fabulous. Okay, and this is my client from Chennai, I think. Okay, and we are making all type blouse design on customization and also according to your choice, like according to your body measurement. Okay, and we are also making Punjabi suit and many more things. Okay, and we also take online classes. If you are interested, please do WhatsApp on the same number I'll show on the screen. Okay, so now this is a final look. Back shape is a V, and back has a not too much work, just border 1.5 inches broad border. Okay, And now main article on the sleeves, and now you can see the final look of blouse designs. It's a very beautiful, and also believe me guys, my quality is always is my priority, and also we are using top quality of material. Like 1.5 years all time blouse look like same and also look shiny. If you want to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And if you join my classes, please WhatsApp. We are taking online classes on Instagram private account, okay. And if you want to buy these blouse designs, or if you like it, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and also please give me appreciations, okay. And if I'll do any mistake, please forgive me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.